To make a Gmail account, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Gmail website, www.gmail.com. 2. Click on the Create Account button. 3. Fill in the required information in the sign-up form, such as your first and last name, desired email address, password, and phone number. 4. Follow the prompts to verify your phone number and agree to the terms of service. 5. Click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your Gmail account, you can start using it to send and receive emails, as well as access other Google services such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Google Docs. How to create Emailid. To create an email account, you can follow these general steps. 1. Choose an email service provider. 1. Some popular email service providers are Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, and ProtonMail. 2. Go to the website of your chosen email service provider. 3. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. 4. Fill in the required information in the sign-up form, such as your name, desired email address, password, and date of birth. 5. Follow the prompts to verify your email address and set up your account security settings. 6. Click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your email account, you can start using it to send and receive emails. Be sure to remember your email address and password so you can access your account in the future.